How I use it? How I use it? How I use it? How? Yo! What is the What? What? No! No!
Whose mic is this?
Oh, pull it down, pull it down, pull it down.
Why is that a thing? Why do they want me?
Oh, what the flip? What?
Should I get y'all a flashlight?
Oh, get a flashlight.
Spearman Zero got something we don't got.
Alright, what's in here?
Hell,
Is
boy.
this the exit? So we need 3 planks.
What is going on? Yo! What is the What? Bro, this mic is crazy. What the Yo! Bro, these mics, bro. These mics. Bro, what the hell, bro? Bro, these mics is crazy, bro.
Oh yeah, give me a oh yeah, I feel it. Yo,
What am I playing, bro? Bro, y'all mics are so bad. That makes it so hilarious, though.
Exactly, the mics is crazy. The mics is so crazy, bro. Mics is so crazy.
So much funnier.
Alright, get your tools, guys. Get your tools.
Toys alert.
Crash, it crashed.
It crashed.
I'm lightheaded, bro.
Yeah, it crashed.
Damn.
They're locking, bro. They can hear us, y'all. They can hear us, please.
Nah, bro. I get touched by the
Holy moly!
Yo, be quiet, please.
Yo, be quiet!
Yo.
Bro.
Oh my god, bro.
Bro, in 3 seconds, bro. In 3 seconds is crazy, bro. In 3 seconds is crazy.
Why are you dead?
What you mean, why am I dead?
Why are you dead?
Okay, bro. Okay.
I just don't.
He throwing his turds at you. Oh, he hunting you down! Oh! Oh, snap. Look at him. Look at him. Yo! Bro, what the hell, bro? This game, bro. This game is something, bro.
Yeah.
You're...
Goodness, bro, we suck.
Hey, let's go to a different one, bro.
I think we gotta do a different one. We gotta do a different one.
Bro, y'all are too loud and
I'm the most quiet one here, bro. Ah, be quiet! Y'all be yelling.
This is me right here. Good luck with that, buddy. Good luck with that, buddy. Bro, down.
after me. I saw somebody butt.
Oh my god.
We lost the plot.
No, we didn't. No, we didn't.
Right here.
Give me a kiss, bro. Give me a kiss.
I think I know this bad, bro. I think I should tell him.
Oh, is everybody bad?
Yeah, all mics just sound horrible.
Oh, y'all could have done the video. This junk is like, miles, I'm doing this. Oh my lord.
Holy fuck.
We can't lock it, y'all.
No more tweaking. No more tweaking.
No more tweeting. No more tweeting.
We can't run.
Bro, we're still here.
Oh my. We can't, listen, we can't change maps. We gotta do this
I
map
need a
first.
flashlight, hold on.
Yo, shut up.
You shut up.
Bro, you the loudest one here.
Shut the hell up! Damn!
What? No! No! No, bro. Come on, bro. Come on, bro. Get me out. Get me out. Get me in there, man. No. 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 No.
Oh my god. Oh my god. What kind of noises is it making?
Exactly, bro. These noises is outrageous. Oh!
You kidding me?
Bro, look at him, bro.
Let me know if he's coming. Let me know if he's coming.
I'll let you know, man. I'll let you know.
Cause I'm stuck in this room. So we gotta find files, right?
Yeah, it's like you need 8 files, I think. Oh
Shit, I don't know, but good luck.
Oh no!
Why did you speak? Why did you?
But he just got chopped and screwed.
Oh! Go. Get a flashlight.
I got gas.
Oh yeah, my
I
flash.
gotta make it.
Yo, let's just all sit together and just be quiet.
Shut up.
Oh, snap! Don't talk to you like that. Don't talk to you like that.
Oh, that's 1 file. I'm getting carried. Oh, what is this? Oh, glow stick? Shh. Bet, I'll be quiet. Oh, no! No!
Bro, bro.
Yo, buddy's watching TikTok! Oh my god. Oh my god.
Yo, bro, who got the med kit?
I do.
You got 2?
I don't got no med kit.
Oh, you dead again?
Oh yeah, you're chopped. You're chopped. Holy moly. Holy. What the? Oh, I seen it that time. Oh. What the hell?
Oh my god, what the hell?
Brother, no.
Yo, that.
Bro, was it creepy that had the
Oh.
Oh my god.
Lord.
Yo. What is that? Yeah, the fact that we all died right here is crazy.
Tragedy.
Who's this? Who's? Okay.
Oh, that's Freddy.
Yo! Let's go!
Don't race him again. He's not real. He's not real. He's not real for that.
What do I need a sledgehammer for? Get up, my.
Right,
Bro, we're actually clutching up, bro. Be quiet.
Okay, I'm
Who is me? It's me. It's only. Hey, there's no INT. There's no INT. Oh wait. Here, you gotta take this. Look, I want that.
Thank you.
Do something, bro.
How I use it? Ah!
Screaming! Why are you screaming?
My bad game. My bad.
Gotta have a speed boost.
Why did you revive him? I'm doing what I can, bro. I promise.
Oh, there you are.
Full file.
Let's go. Just one more.
No, we need to escape still.
Looking for clues.
Okay.
Ready, go. Yo.
Bro, what the hell?
Why is Crazy so loud? Oh, yo, he ran by himself.
I can't see. I can't see.
This guy doesn't even have a
I can't
flashlight.
see. I can't see. No. What am I gonna do? What am I gonna do?
What me finna do? I don't know what I'm finna do.
they're about to cook me since you ain't back, bro. They're about to...
Buddy, he's a mine. He's a mine. He sends him here. I'm actually gonna lock in this time. No, I'm not talking. I'm locking.
Okay. No more trolling.
And I got a plank.
I might have fumbled the bag there, but hey.
Yo.
There.
Oh no. Shh. Yeah, I'm trolling, bro.
Crazy.
Yo, he coming. Oh my god. I'm stuck. I have like 2 medkits.
Oh, say who has the planks?
He do.
You have all 2. Okay, bring it back to the thing.
How do I use it? Oh.
W revival.
Freddy.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Bro,
Yes,
if
sir.
you talk, I'm
I'm not
not
gonna talk
relying.
anymore. I'm not gonna talk at all. I'm silent as a mouse. Phew.
She's outside. Be quiet. Run, down, run.
Help me!
No, not that way. Oh, the bathroom! Oh my gosh!
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Look at your noggin! Oh, you got a volante. What? No, I put the plank down. We need a saw so we can cut it.
Oh, I got it. Come on.
Bro, my eye look. You gotta survive. Trust me, bro.
Who the fuck is you?
You scared me, bro.
Bro. Oh, it's dead. Oh, dude.
But he really called me slipping. Damn.
I'm gonna make it for you. I wish I did, bro. I'm sorry.
Damn.
Yo, who got a key? Anyone got an extra key?
Was one of my dead bodies.
Day after day.
To leave. I don't hear him no
think
more.
so.
Bro, no way he left us. Yes, sir.
Oh my
yes, sir.
God.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. We're free. Oh. Where are we? Oh, we died. Oh, no way we survived that.
Yo,
That's straight rock.
I'm literally. What kind of guy we saying?
What?
No way we suffered for all that just for that ending.
So
You gotta be kidding me.
Bro, I didn't even
There's
get to
another
see
stage. There is another stage. I didn't see the ending.
Dang. So basically, we came out from the roof and we were like in the middle of Dubai, and that's
What?
it. Like, we
What?
We fell from the school.
Oh yeah, I'm looking
they-
for luck this time.
Helicopter or elevator? Which one?
That boy said he's strong.
Nah, this is not big.
Everybody was Jack, guys.
Hey man, that's not big.
Humongous, bro.
Like some booty.
What the hell? What? No! 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 What is that?
Oh my goodness gracious!
I'm back. Oh shit.
Yeah, how you do that? How you hit the flapper? Yeah, how you hit the flapper?
I don't know, bro.
Oh my goodness gracious!
Bro, how are you doing this, bro? How are you doing this, bro?
I don't know my methods, bro.
Yo, bro. Wait,
No! I don't even get a chance, bro. I don't even get a chance. Oh my god, bro. Oh my god, man. I'm crying.
I'm going.
Oh man, I'm crying, bro.
Bro, what is happening?
This game is something, bro.
He's right there. He's right there. Don't look back. Oh, what up? Wait, did you die too?
Stairs.
Oh my goodness gracious!
Yo.
Who are? Oh,
This map
Bro,
is
this is-
huge, bro.
this is where we're supposed to escape? Man, y'all trolling.
Pause, bro. What am I here? Can you hear me?
Yes, I can hear you, man.
Yo! Lock in. You're the only one alive.
Well, I'm the only one alive. What?
Sorry about the egos.
Help me, please. Yo, no, no. Yo, there's nowhere for me to go, man. You can't go on, man.
Are you serious?
Yeah, bro, I'm done.
Bro, what am I supposed to
Did I just
do?
hear a metal pipe drop? Yeah, one more time, that's it, that's it. He hitting this. I'm low-key hitting this,
I
bro.
don't hit it like me, though. Come on, bro. Y'all ain't hitting it like this.
Y'all aren't hitting this, bro.
Y'all not hitting like me. Y'all not hitting like me.
Yo,
I'm done.
no! Yo, bro, don't tell me! Oh! No! No, no, please! Please! No! Wait! Yo, you can't be for real, bro. How the hell you gonna keep that? Like that.
Yeah, bro, come on, bro. We done. We
What
done.
the hell, bro? Yeah, we're chopped.
I'm crying. There's tears in my eyes, bro.
My head hurts. I'm dying over here.
look how it got too lit. Yes, and yeah, look, it's the fit. Yes, and look at that, more drip. Yeah, they been hating since day one. They been wanting to see me down day one. They don't even know how to stop this. Yeah, you gotta look how I got to this. Yeah, only God could ever do this. Yeah, I told y'all can't ever stop it. Yeah, I said y'all know me when I drop it. Hey.